Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Pulse. The future of off-grid travel has officially gone compact, clean, and incredibly cool. Meet the 2026 Auto Electric Camper Tricycle, an all-in-one mobility marvel redefining how solo travelers, eco-enthusiasts, and nomadic dreamers hit the open road. This isn't just a mode of transport, it's a minimalist lifestyle on three wheels. Designed for maximum efficiency and versatility, the 2026 Electric Camper Tricycle combines the utility of an electric vehicle, the freedom of a bicycle, and the comfort of a microcamper. It's smart, solar-powered, and tailored for the individual explorer or adventurous couple ready to break free from traditional RV living. Let's start with the basics. This camper tricycle runs entirely on electricity, featuring a powerful yet efficient brushless hub motor, delivering quiet but capable performance. Whether cruising city streets, rural roads, or gentle off-road trails, this machine handles it all with surprising stability and power. With a top speed of around 28 to 32 miles per hour, it's fast enough for most local commutes or slow-paced highway shoulders in camper-friendly zones. The integrated lithium battery offers a range of about 60 to 100 miles per charge, depending on terrain, weight, and usage. But here's where it gets interesting, this trike isn't just electric, it's solar-assisted. A roof-mounted flexible solar panel constantly recharges the battery during daylight hours, adding extra miles daily without plugging in. It's a perfect solution for remote camping and energy independence. The frame of the 2026 model is built from lightweight yet rugged aluminum alloy, ensuring durability without sacrificing speed. The three-wheel design brings excellent balance, making it accessible even for those who've never ridden a motorcycle or scooter. Large fat tires allow smooth travel over sand, gravel, and rougher paths, so you're not limited to paved roads. Now, let's talk about the camper section. This is where the magic happens. Despite its compact footprint, the trike's rear capsule opens into a thoughtfully designed living pod. Fold-out panels, sliding windows, and a pop-up roof expand the space vertically and horizontally. Once parked, you'll be amazed at what fits inside this micro-habitat. Inside, there's a small but comfortable single or twin-size sleeping area with memory foam cushions, a collapsible table, and hidden compartments for storage. LED lighting, powered by the solar system, lights up the interior during the evening. There's also a built-in mini fan for airflow, plus USB charging ports and a Bluetooth speaker system for a little entertainment after sunset. As for hygiene, many models come equipped with an external pull-out shower and privacy tent. The trike can support a composting or cassette-style toilet stored beneath the bed platform. These features are lightweight and eco-friendly, ensuring you leave no trace on your journey. For those who crave smart tech, this trike doesn't fall behind. A central touchscreen control panel shows real-time battery stats, solar input, trip tracking, weather forecasts, and even GPS mapping. It syncs with your smartphone, allowing you to control lighting, temperature, or even security alarms remotely. Security is another key feature. Motion-activated lights and a GPS tracker help deter theft, especially when camping off-grid or in remote parking lots. The camper locks securely with tamper-resistant latches, and the front has an anti-theft will lock, making it a less likely target than larger RVs or trailers. One of the most appealing aspects of this vehicle is how easy it is to store and park. Unlike full-sized RVs, the camper tricycle fits into a standard parking space and can be wheeled into small garages, backyards, or even urban alleys. It's city-friendly and country-ready. Because it's considered a low-speed electric vehicle in many regions, you don't need a special license in most areas. Insurance is often cheaper, and there are fewer registration fees. You also avoid costly fuel, emissions checks, and complicated engine maintenance. Just keep the tires inflated, check the brakes, and clean the solar panels for optimal performance. What really sets this trike apart is the freedom it offers. You're no longer tied to gas stations, RV hookups, or crowded campgrounds. You can pull over at a scenic overlook, unfold your canopy, and have lunch while your solar panel sips sunlight. Ride through a national park, camp beside a river, or even boondock near a trailhead without disturbing the peace. This model has also inspired a new wave of creative customizations. Some riders add bike trailers for pets, gear, or additional storage. Others mount fishing rods, foldable kayaks, or bike racks. The modular design means it's easy to tweak the layout to suit your specific travel style. Eco-conscious travelers will also appreciate the incredibly low carbon footprint. Compared to diesel or gas-powered RVs, this tricycle emits zero emissions and can be charged entirely off-grid. It's a bold step forward in sustainable exploration. Whether you're planning a weekend escape or a long-distance adventure, the 2026 Auto Electric Camper Tricycle brings simplicity, sustainability, and innovation into one compact package. It challenges the notion that you need a big vehicle and a bigger budget to travel well. Instead, it proves that a lighter, slower, and more mindful journey can be just as enriching, if not more so. If you're ready to embrace freedom, downsize your footprint, and explore on your own terms, the future of mobile living might just be parked on 3 wheels. Let me know if you'd like a version with a host, headings, or visuals added, or want this adapted for a specific YouTube channel style.